Good afternoon, people of the grid. It's Wednesday. Tammy and Ethan are in town. They should be coming back now. His school is done, so they're coming back out. I'm going for a ride with Melissa and Samantha and Amelia and Barry and Brandy and Ty and Wyatt and Summer. We're going out. It's going to be a good day. Sammy Pepper! Doing? Good. So we came across a massive puddle. We're going that way, and Sammy's on a pretty small bike, so we actually routed her through the trees. There's a bunch of water coming in. She made it through nicely. I'm gonna go right through the middle of it because on the bigger machinery we can do that. Oh yeah, he just rode up a massive hill. This hill, it's kind of like that, hey Sam?
Yeah.
And Sammy did it, it's her first time. You did awesome, I'm proud of you. It's beautiful out here, look at this you guys. Found a wild strawberry patch. Look. Try it.
It tastes like a gummy.
Yeah, it's really good.
Oh,
Their seeds are a little bit more pointy.
Wait, let's go find some.
Oh yeah. How's your ride?
Good.
Good?
Yeah. I'm so tired.
Hey guys, we made it back. Yeah. That was an epic ride. We were one motorbike down. Summer's chain broke. We couldn't fix it. It was the master link. So we propped it up on the back of the Razor bungeed it down, distributed the load and the people, and we all came back.
Alive.
We had a lot of water, a lot of puddles.
Yeah, I'm soaked.
Sammy did amazingly well. Hey?
Thank you.
So proud of you.
It's like my second ride, too.
You did awesome. That was some serious technical riding out there.
It was fun.
It was fun. Hey guys, it's Thursday. It's just about lunchtime and we got everything loaded and packed up. It's just Samantha, myself, and Melissa. Ethan is at school. Amelia is going to visit friends today, and Tammy's in town orchestrating that side of it. So I'm out here with these guys. We're going for a big ride today. Shine.
Good.
Looks like you took a bath in the mud.
Yeah, no kidding. I am soaked.
We had a really amazing ride. That's some of the harder stuff that we've been on, Sammy. You did really good though. Sammy crashed into a tree. Yeah, 10 points. Then she fell over in a big puddle, had to pick up by herself. Okay.
Oh, my rain boots are like soaked
It's
now.
a lot of work, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's
I'm
okay.
so dirty now, too.
We'll wash you down. We'll hose you down. We're going to have a little picnic right here at the picnic table. It's a really nice spot. What you doing down there?
Cleaning my stuff.
Hold on, so gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees, waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy on this island, wanna be my farmland. I don't ever want to leave, I'm in a tropic club.
Hey guys, it's our last day out here in the bush. It's Friday morning, bright and early. We thought we'd squeeze in one ride because I've got to take 2 bikes back for tune-ups, and then I got to come back and load up the trailer and get it out of here. So, oh, horses! That's pretty neat, hey Sam? So yeah, that's what we're doing today. Later we'll be packing up the trailer, so we'll catch up with you guys midday or whatever.
We found them.
That's our $1 million view. That is so awesome. Well, it's 11 in the morning. I'm back. I got 2 dirty bikes in the back. Those are the ones that I need to get back to Calgary first. I'm going to take them, I'm going to wash them, and then I'm going to take them right to the shop so that they can get the much needed repairs done on them. It was awesome. We had a great week out here. We got here Monday night late. It's now Friday midday, and I'll be out of the campsite hopefully around 2 o'clock-ish, which is checkout time. But it was so good. It felt like we were out here for 2 weeks. Going out in the forest and just seeing all the beautiful views is unbelievable. Got treated to some wild horses, or at least what we think are wild horses, a bunch of geese, it's awesome. It's awesome. And Amelia was doing great on the bike. Samantha did great on the bike. Melissa passengered really well. We had a lot of fun. All right, people of the grid, holy smokes. That's a lot of back and forthing. When you have a trailer and 3 bikes, I have to make 2 trips to get everything back. So I got all 3 of the bikes back. I got them all washed up. 2 of the motorbikes are in for repairs, so I just dropped off the second one. The ATV's got to wait until next week. The trailer is tucked in at the trailer lot. It is put away. Fluids are all topped up. It's all ready to go on our next camping trip, which is next week when we go to Drumheller. So that's for next weekend. Wow. I don't even think I shared with you a tiny fraction of the beauty of the forest that we were in. There's a ton of trails. You can bike ride them. Some people bring bigger vehicles out. It's kind of perfect for motorbike or for ATVing. That's what we did, and the views are spectacular. So that was just awesome. Awesome place to spend the week. Ethan was in school every day, so we had to come in back and forth and drop him off. That's why I only took a few kind of select shots out in the woods while we were having actual fun. Slept out there in the forest in the trailer. That was awesome. Now I think I'm going to get back to my regular programming schedule because we've got internet access again, which is going to be really nice. I have to go home now. I'm going to shower, get cleaned up. Tammy and I have a trip to Edmonton for the weekend. Yeah. Hope you guys had a great week. We sure did. Miker